What's up, guys? Welcome back. Today we're going to be doing a little work with the Tacoma. It's been a little while since I have cleaned out my intake, so I got to do that today. So we're going to walk you through cleaning the K&N intake on a Tacoma. So really you're only going to need a few things, and that is your trusty flathead screwdriver. I got some paper towels just so once I get my cone off I can kind of protect the piping. Recharger kit, which has cleaner and oil. So let's go ahead and just break on into this. So all you're gonna have to do is untighten just one little screw here. And I hope this screwdriver, oh, it is big enough. Alrighty. Alright. So, as you can see around the heat shield, it's pretty dirty too, so I'm going to try to clean that off. But, I mean, you can look and see just how dirty really the outside of this intake is. I mean, just touching it, my hands are getting black. Look at the inside. Still just as clean as the day we got it. So you've got some cleaner. This says you're supposed to be wearing gloves. Do me a favor. Grab onto that bad boy. Technical difficulties. You know, in all honesty, I don't know that we really need this. I'll tell you something else. I wonder where this is rubbing. Look at that. You can see where the intake's been rubbing on something. So, well, let's go ahead and start cleaning this junk off a little bit. Alrighty. I'm not going to do too much of a crazy coat or anything. So, I reckon really we'll just kind of let it sit for a minute and let the cleaner do its magic. Alright guys, so I don't have any kind of tip on the end of this hose. I don't think it would be a very wise decision to throw too much water pressure up against the old air intake. So we're just gonna kind of gently go over it, the hose, get all the junk out of there. Also, look, just looking in here, I mean, just, you know, lightly going over it with the hose, you can really see, I'd say that cleaner's definitely worth it, because, I mean, everything's just falling right off of the intake. I mean, I'm going to be honest, I didn't expect it to really work that well, but definitely helping it get really clean. Alright, so the next step will just be to wait for it to dry. So, we will wait. Alright guys, while we're letting that cleaner kind of do its magic, I'm going to go ahead and just carefully wipe out the inside of the heat shield. Let's take a look. It's not too bad on the inside. If you want to look around, it's a little dirty, so I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some paper towels and bunch them up. And just gently slide them in here, just so no more debris than is absolutely necessary gets in there. So I didn't even really wet this paper towel. It's still just bone dry, and I mean, the dust is all coming off. Which really, looks like only finer little dust particles is getting in here. So this shield's done a good job as well of just kind of keeping everything clean. And if you clean yours like you're supposed to, I believe you're supposed to clean your intake at every oil change, which I have been a little slack with. Yours probably won't be this dirty either if you just kind of maintain it regularly like you should be doing. But even at that, I've gone a good ways. I've gone almost 20,000 miles before I've cleaned this. My gas mileage still is honestly better than before I had the intake, and it's pretty dirty, and it's APG is starting to go down a little bit. My needle falls a little faster than usual now. Just do a little clean job like that. Alright guys, so we rinsed it and everything. It's gone through the motions. We let it dry for probably, I don't know, 20 minutes. So now we're going to put the spray on. And this is the oil. This isn't cleaner, this is oil. So you can see that oil is what gives the filter that reddish tint too. If you actually want to come here and look, you can see where there's no oil, then where we just sprayed, it's back to red again. Oh yeah, see that raspberry snow? Alright. Solely because I went a little overboard on that. I want to get some of that excess off. So, I'm going to grab some paper towels. I'd say hold it back a little further than that next time. But the only thing left to do is put it on. So, I'm going to get some paper towels. We'll wipe it down, but again, yeah, all you got to do is set it on there, tighten the ring down, and it should be fine. So, alright guys, so I was wrong. Video's not over quite yet. So I'm going to talk a little bit about what this intake's done. So, honestly, I would say a good guesstimation is I probably got, before my air intake, probably got about 200 miles out of each tank of gas, and I believe this is an 18-gallon tank. Now I'm getting really, I used to commute to college about 40 minutes each way, and it really helped a lot. I mean, I'd say honestly, the intake's probably given me another 50 miles for every tank. And aside from that, one thing I really like about this K&N air intake is, I mean, you can see right now I'm running 55, still pretty quiet. It's not making any noise at all, as long as you're not running high RPMs. But as soon as you start running high RPMs, the truck sounds a lot different. The air intake will get really loud, and it'll get kind of quiet again, it'll get really loud again. So, we'll do a quick little pull just to let you hear what it sounds like. If you want to face the camera forward, just so I think it sounds a little bit better. Let's hope for no blue lights. So I wasn't really wanting it to downshift there, but I mean, if you drive a Tacoma and you've gotten on it before, you can hear it definitely sounds different. And that's another thing about this intake is when you're driving, if you baby it, you will get better gas mileage without a doubt. I'd say you're probably getting around 2 more miles to the gallon, but since you've got more oxygen flowing in, if you're getting on it, you can burn gas faster. So all in all, for 250 bucks, I would say it's worth it, because I've had this intake for about 20,000 miles now, and I would say I've definitely made my money back as far as paying, you know, not having to pay for gas as often. So I definitely think it's a worthy investment. So if you're thinking about doing something, you know, trying to increase the gas mileage of your truck, this is the first place I would go. As well as, I mean, honestly, I like the way it sounds. So I mean, just all in all, I think K&N did a really good job with this intake. So I hope this review was helpful. As more stuff comes for the Tacoma, we will definitely be looking and making reviews and keep y'all up to date. So if you haven't subscribed, give us a subscribe and just stick around. We've got more videos to come, such as more with the Tacoma and other car reviews, as well as more stuff with the twin turbo Mustang. So stick around.